IHRSA is the eyes, ears, and leading voice of the fitness industry on legal and legislative matters. We are continually fighting for the best interests of your health clubs and to stem the rising tide of physical inactivity around the world. Last year, almost 300 pieces of legislation were actively monitored at the state and federal level. Lobbyists were on the ground in 13 states and Washington, D.C., opposing or supporting major legislative initiatives. In South Carolina, the State Consumer Affairs Agency pushed a bill that would prohibit automatic renewal clauses in health club contracts and limit month-to-month contracts for a term of 1 year. This change would have cost clubs thousands of dollars and drastically impacted retention rates. Success came by working together. IHRSA Public Policy and South Carolina fitness professionals were able to stop the changes from taking place.
We really didn't know the lay of the land. It was exciting to have IHRSA shepherding that process, working us through the day-to-day of what needed to happen, and they had been through that many times, and we're very comfortable with that process, and very comfortable getting the right lobbyist, shaping the opinion, and working through everything. It was like having your own legislative department.
IHRSA works with health clubs across the United States to positively impact change. Every year, fitness professionals gather in Washington, D.C. to lobby Congress to support healthy lifestyles. If passed, our federal health promotion bills will make health club membership more accessible to more Americans, increasing the number of people that belong to health clubs.
But the thing I found most interesting was how everybody in the industry was working together. You have a lot of fitness centers think they compete against each other. They are working for the same members to join their gym. And working with the summit, everybody's working together.
Become involved with IHRSA Public Policy and concerned fitness professionals. We will speak out together as one voice.
For those club operators that don't want to get involved in government relations, that's their choice. However, I would state that every industry, every citizen should be aware of the policies that affect them. One of the great values of democracy is that everyone has a voice, and I firmly believe that voice should be utilized to effect positive change.
A united front of IHRSA, fitness professionals, and health club consumers from across the nation have spoken out to support healthy lifestyles. Last year, the Maryland legislature attempted to implement a health club dues tax to raise money for a $2 billion budget deficit. IHRSA and a coalition of members in Maryland were able to rally club members to send almost 15,000 emails to legislators to stop the threatened club dues tax, saving consumers almost $15.7 million in taxes. In New Jersey, a similar coalition effort got over 30,000 petitions signed and sent 7,000 emails opposing a healthy lifestyle sales tax.
When a fitness center professional says to someone, this person's life has changed, and I'm not speaking hypothetically, I've been there. I lived it. I would be dead today if it weren't for the fact that I was able to join a fitness center and get into shape and change my life completely. And there are countless people like that across the country. There's countless people like that here in New Jersey. Tell that story to legislators. Show them the effect that healthy lifestyles have.
Bringing fitness professionals together to grow, protect, and promote the health club industry is the primary objective of IHRSA and the Industry Leadership Council. It doesn't matter what your job title is. All you need is a passion for healthy lifestyles and the industry that makes them possible. Educate yourself and get involved today.
I would encourage everybody that's not involved to get involved. There's nothing holding you back.